Let's take a look at Kubota's new V3307 Micro-Hybrid P0 solution. The engine is built on the V3307 conventional common rail engine, a strong contender in our lineup for several years. Kubota's added a 10 kilowatt motor generator to the engine so that the customers can enjoy 10 kilowatt power boost. This engine is perfect for those types of applications where you're looking to downsize your engine and avoid the use of SCR systems. Some features on the engine includes a two-way tensioning arm to provide that torque assist. All the torque is transferred through the poly V belt directly to the engine's crankshaft. Let's take a look at Kubota's new D1105 P2 hybrid system. One unique thing on this hybrid system is that Kubota's developed this brand new gearbox with 10 kilowatt motor generator. This application is most steel suited for applications need to operate possibly indoors. When the engine is shut off, mechanical clutch disengages and allows the motor generator to operate in pure EV mode, emissions free. This helps Kubota and each OEM meet carbon neutrality targets. Let's talk about another hybrid solution offered by Kubota. It's in the D1105 P2 hybrid system. You're going to see a lot of similar functionality and features as Kubota's P0 solution. However, the motor generator is no longer driven by the front belt drive. All of the generator windings are embedded directly in the flywheel, so that eliminates the additional packaging requirements for motor generator, additional belt maintenance. This P1 system, we're still looking at about 10 kilowatts instantaneous boost during engine overload conditions. Also, the DC-DC inverter, the 10 kilowatt torque boost may allow you to downsize your engines and reduce your carbon footprint.